Krakow is a city built on legends. And today, we're ending it with a dragon that actually breathes fire.
Bienvenidos a
Cracovia, Krakow.
Welcome to Krakow, people.
Yeah, we're here in the main plaza, which is absolutely beautiful, but there is something really cool that they have here, and it's a legend that dates way back to the Middle Ages. There's this melody, and it only plays a piece of it, and there's a reason why. Back in the 13th century, when the Mongols were attacking here in Krakow, there was a watchman up in the tower. And this watchman saw the Mongols were attacking, so he starts playing the tune. An arrow hits him while he's in the middle of the tune, but luckily he played it long enough that he was able to save the city. And so now,
every single noon they play the same melody in the radio, national-wise, like in all the city. And then at the same time, in every hour they play in this tower the same melody in honor to that guy. It's played by the bonfire, so the firefighters. They are the ones that keep the legend alive.
Yeah, save Krakow. In Poland, the whole country hears it. It's amazing, no?
That's super cool. I feel that it's very unique.
The trumpeter of the St. Mary's Cathedral, right?
La Santa Maria, Catedral Santa Maria.
We'll make sure we put the exact link right there.
Another thing that I love about this beautiful plaza is not even like the size. The size, as you see, is massive, massive. But also it has this in the middle, this like square thing that is actually a market inside. So you can buy souvenirs in the middle of the plaza.
But Krakow's most famous legend doesn't live above the square. It waits below the castle, at the foot of Wawel Hill.
So, la segunda leyenda, the second legend, is related with something that in every single corner of the city they sell. That are... Look, this cutie. Dragones.
Dragons.
Ready for dragons? Ready for dragons. Whoa.
Krakow's Old Town was one of the first places ever added to the UNESCO World Heritage List. And just beyond its medieval streets rises Wawel Hill, the royal heart of the city and home to its most famous legend.
We're at the Wawel Castle on the Wawel Hill, and this is the beginning place of a lot of history here. This is where the Wawel Dragon's lair was, below the hill. And legend has it back in the Middle Ages that the people here used to feed him cow and livestock in order to make him happy. Many knights tried to kill him, never could. More food, more food, more food, he wanted more. And if you didn't give him enough, he'd start attacking the villagers. So what they did is they came up with a plan and they put sulphur in some of the animals. What happened is once they put the sulphur in, it ended up killing the dragon.
But people still say that there is a dragon below the city. Kids believe that in the drains of the city you can see the dragon walking by. This is actually the most iconic image in the whole city of Krakow. So if you come here, you have to buy something with a dragon.
Yeah, it's the city mascot. The dragon still breathes here.
Bueno, now we are going down the hill to check the dragon, to see where the dragon is actually alive and blowing fire from his mouth. And we are still in the castle. We are going to the river and you will see how cool the city is. We came running to the lowest part of the castle. The castle is that way and we found it!
That was a lot cooler than I expected.
So cool!
After chasing the legend through the city, seeing the dragon breathe fire at sunset felt like Krakow giving the story one final punchline.
That was so cool! That was so cool, people!
That was really cool.
Okay,
Fuego.
time to say goodbye. We love you guys. Thank you for watching.
Cheers.
And love you from Kraków, Poland.
Ciao.
What makes Krakow special isn't just that it has old legends. It's that the city still performs them. From the trumpet above the square to the dragon breathing fire below the castle. Krakow is one of those places that just feels special.
Don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe, follow us.
Sí, sí, sí. No se olviden de seguirnos y dejarnos todos sus comentarios.